In today's video, we'll cover different methods for exporting your WordPress content as Markdown. These solutions can help you switch to a static website generator or maintain Markdown backups of your posts. We'll start with an easy option, using the Ultimate Markdown plugin. This WordPress plugin lets you import, edit, and export Markdown. Let's begin by converting a single post using the block editor. First, edit an existing post. In the editor sidebar, open the Export Markdown section and click the Export button. The plugin will download a Markdown file containing the content of your post. The plugin also supports exporting multiple WordPress posts in a single action. To do this, go to the Tools menu of the plugin. Under the Export section, you can choose the source for your export. You can either export Markdown documents stored in the plugin or WordPress posts. Once you select Posts, more filtering options will appear. You can filter by post types, categories, and tags. After applying your filters, click Export to create a zip file containing all your Markdown posts. Next, let's look at a more advanced method for exporting posts to Markdown. This method lets you organize posts into folders with related assets, starting from a standard WordPress export. Start by exporting your WordPress posts using the Export menu under the Tools section. Choose whether you want to export all content or filter by post types, categories, authors, dates, or statuses. After making your selections, click the Download Export File button to get the XML file. Now, we'll move to the terminal. Please note, this method requires Node.js to be installed. Once you've confirmed Node.js is installed, make sure the XML file you downloaded from WordPress is in your working directory. Then, run the WordPress export to Markdown script in the terminal. This tool will convert the WordPress XML export into Markdown files compatible with static site generators like Gatsby and Hugo. The script will start a wizard in the terminal. Just follow the prompts to complete the conversion. First, set the path to the XML file containing your posts. Next, choose a destination folder for the generated Markdown files. Then, set up the folder structure and specify if you want images to be downloaded. Once the wizard finishes, the script will start the conversion. The process is usually quick, but downloading images might take more time. The script will create a folder structure organized by year and month. You can view your exported Markdown files by going into these folders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on WordPress. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments.